Good morning, dear students. In this video, I am going to cover the remaining portion of your poem, The Guest House. So, previously, I discussed with you all that how a guest house welcomes everyone with a smile. Similarly, as a human being, also we should learn how to welcome each and every problem with a smile, because this is actually the life. Okay. Never behave like a defeated soldier who retreats from the battlefield. Because I have seen many people, they are just broken out whenever there is a smaller problem. So life is all about this. Now, if any problem also comes into your life, then why to get worried for this? Now, rather we should learn how to face those problems, how to meet those challenges. You accept it. Okay. Because the poet says here that welcome and entertain them all. A person should learn how to welcome and entertain them, even if they are a crowd of sorrows. Now, at a time, not a problem which comes into your life, it doesn't mean that you are out of the game. Still, you have chance. You should have patience enough to listen all the problem. You should be patient enough to invite all the problem and to face those problems very boldly. Because life can teach you all about this. Okay. Now the problem can sweep your house. It can clear you out. It can empty your mind also, because see, sometimes when there is problem, then we are really broken out. Okay. We just break down. It doesn't mean that the life is gone. Because see, life is a very, I can say, it's a big race that it never ends. Till you have the last breath, you have to run. Okay, this is life actually. Now you see, you treat each of the guests, very honorably. He may be clearing you out for some new delight. It means that the poet indirectly says that if there is some problem, if there is some mistake, then only we are able to learn something new from it. Okay. If you have to learn something new in your life, then let the problem come. Invite them happily. Okay. Because unless and until a person is facing problem, then he or she is not going to learn anything new in life. Okay, because there is a phrase in English, the more you suffer, the more your life will purify. Okay, the more you suffer, the more your life will purify. So this poem, it teaches about all this. If you have a lot of suffering, if you have a lot of problem, then only you will be able to learn something new from it. Otherwise, you forget. Because the person who is every time enjoying the comforts of life, he or she will not be able to understand the real charm of life. A poor person can better understand, what is the meaning of actual sorrow, what is the actual meaning of sorrow and suffering. Okay, so similarly, I have seen people just get worried over trivial things, A little problem occurs, then they just get worried. Okay. And they just, start thinking something negative in their mind. And they also start thinking quitting the job also. It means that you are not bold. Because life will not teach you all about this. Rather, life will teach you on how to face those challenges and accepting them. You are meeting those challenges. This is all about what life will teach you. Okay, so the poet in short saying you that any problem comes, then you should learn how to accept and entertain them with a smile. Okay, so next come back to the remaining portion, the dark thought, the shame, the malice, meet them at the door laughing and invite them in. Let the problem come. Okay, whenever any guest comes into your house, we never simply ask him or her just to go out. Okay, let them come. Let him or her come. Similarly, let the problem come inside. Let it step in at your door. Then we'll say. Okay. Now be grateful for whoever comes, because it has been sent as a guide from God. See. Now we are just human beings, so not to get worried, because the Almighty God, He is the supreme authority, and He really gives the right fruit to the person, who actually waits. Okay, because there is a phrase also I am just repeating, that all things come to him who waits. All things come to him who waits. Okay, so God is the Almighty. He is the supreme authority. He is omnipotent. So He, the Creator, whatever it is happening in our life, you just forget it's a part of human life, okay, it can come, So be again bold enough to face the reality of life, then you see, you will be able to run in the race. Okay, so once you think that or once you are broken down, then nothing can be done. So this poem, it gives you an insight meaning. Okay, do not simply go with the word to word translation, because it has something different meaning, because I told you in my previous video that it's a kind of metaphysical poem, it's a kind of spiritual poem, okay, which gives insight into your life, So this is all about the life cycle, how it goes on, and how to face any challenges whichever comes into your life. Okay, so I hope, dear students, briefly you have understood what I meant to tell you all about. Okay, so in my next video I will be sharing you all with some new points, also even some prose also, okay, from your main course book, and will be again teaching you from supplementary reader also. Okay, so till that time, please watch the video, revise at home. You all have the textbook, so please go through it, find out the difficult words and look up the meaning from dictionary. Okay, so till that time, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day. Thank you.